Prime Minister Modi announced a countrywide lockdown in his address on 24th March. Starting midnight 25th March for 21 days, India will be under curfew with movement of all, barring essential service providers, barred. However, people will be allowed to purchase essential items while practicing social distancing measures. As India enters a 21-day lockdown, a 10th death was reported in the country due to COVID-19. The confirmed cases stood at 512 according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The centre has asked states to speed up procurement of ventilators and personal protective equipment. A ventilator prototype by AIIMS is under consideration and the government is in talks with PSUs for manufacturing them. States are also setting up COVID-only hospitals. The movement of essential supplies has been hit as state orders have created confusion over what are the services exempted from the total lockdown. While goods trains fall in the exempted category, freight services too were hit as states did not mention railways as essential service in their respective orders. Long queues had also formed on highways of trucks delivering essential supplies. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan expressed his anguish today over reports of medical and paramedical personnel being targeted in their localities as carriers of coronavirus. The same is the story for airline staffers. Harshvardhan said doctors take all precautions to ensure they don't become bearers of the disease. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao said his government would be compelled to impose total curfew and shoot at side orders if people violated lockdown to fight the spread of coronavirus. There are visuals coming in this morning of people across India practicing social distancing at grocery shops, standing in chalk-marked circles with numbers written on them that indicate their turn to go into the shops. The Punjab government has formed around 200 teams in the state's Doaba region to track and enforce quarantine on NRIs who have been evading such measures. This region has a large NRI population and thousands of NRIs have been pouring into Punjab in the last few weeks and dodging authorities to evade quarantine. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah, who has been released from detention after over 7 months, asked for the same for former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti. While saying that the detentions post-revoking Jammu and Kashmir's special status was unnecessary, he reiterated that it was even more unnecessary to keep her detained when the country has entered a 3-week lockdown.